Stop loss is a scam. Let me tell you why. For those who doesn't know me, my name is Kenwilboy. I'm the founder of Fortuna Markets, the best Forex broker in the world. Not only Forex, we have crypto stocks also. And I'm also a professional trader with over 10 years of trading experience across multiple markets. Okay, so let's begin. I will explain why stop loss is a scam, and let me show you my profits first. Take a look here. This is my profit for the day. Take a look. I've managed to grow this account from $20 to $4,000 in one single trade in one day. Take a look here. See, 4,000 in floating profit, unrealized gain. I haven't closed this position yet because I think the market is still got the potential to rise even more. That's why I haven't closed this position. Take a look here. My account balance is 20, but my equity is over $4,000. Yes, it's 200x in one single trade. And I trade on gold, XAU USD. Take a look at this. So what is my strategy behind all of this? Okay, this is all related, and my strategy is not using a stop loss. So stop loss is a scam. Let me tell you why. Okay, so to begin my strategy, first we need the method to analyze the market. For the method, I'm using basic support and resistance. Basically, the reason I entered the buy position here, okay, wait, let me switch to M1 time frame, 1 minute time frame. Take a look here. The market is forming a strong support level over here. See, this is a strong support level. The moment I saw that the market is forming a strong support level, I immediately entered a buy position. One lot of gold, XAUSD buy position. Take a look here. I entered right at the edge. This is a sniper entry, guys. I entered right at the very bottom. One lot, big lot. And the market went up immediately. Yes, you might call me lucky, but no. This is a bit of luck. Of course, luck plays, luck do play a role in this trade. Just a little bit, but it's mostly experience. Take a look here. I entered right at the edge. If the market went down just a little bit more, I would have hit stop out. So my account would be 0. But the market is going according to my prediction, and it went up immediately up till now. Okay, I already changed it to M5, 5-minute time frame. See, I entered here, right at the very bottom, right at the support level, and the market is up here. Profit of over 3,800 points. Yes. So yeah, I am using support and resistance, and for my entry method or risk management method, I'm using full margin all-in method without stop loss. Let me tell you why. So here, for me, actually, I would say for beginners, full margin all-in method, maximum leverage is it's a good thing to do compared to low risk trade, because trading in general is a high risk activity anyway. Well, you can minimize the risk, but only so much. You cannot minimize the risk to 0. There is still a lot of risk, not some risk, but there are still a lot of risk. Even if you apply all the risk management strategy out there, there will still be huge risks associated in trading, especially if you're trading with leverage like futures or Forex. So based on that mindset that trading is a high-risk activity, for me, especially for beginners, I would suggest rather than trying to minimize the risk, why not trying to minimize the gain instead of minimizing the risk? That's what I like to do, and that's what have made me millions of dollars. Trying to maximize the gain instead of minimizing the risk. Well, I would say a lot of the trading gurus out there, they are saying, oh, you can minimize the risk, you can trade with low risk, oh, you can do a trade with almost no risk at all. I would say those kind of gurus are fake gurus. Don't trust them, okay? Don't listen to them, they're lying. You can check to any broker, you scroll down, and you will see this warning in every trading app or broker. A risk warning, trading is a high-risk activity, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, you will see that in any trading app or broker. So if there is anybody who's saying, oh, you can trade with low risk, you can try to minimize the risk, I think they're lying. Okay? Don't listen to them. try to use this strategy instead, because this strategy is proven better than the quote-unquote low-risk strategy. But again, it's your choice. This is a high-risk strategy, but no problem. You could only lose 100%, right? You could not lose more than 100%. So if your risk tolerance is $50, then deposit just $50 in your account. If your risk tolerance is $100, then just deposit $100. No big deal. You could only lose 100%, right? Well, yes, but others, low risk trader, they might ask you to use stop loss or low lot size. For me, I think using a stop loss is dumb. Why? Because of course you can limit your losses using stop loss, but if you put your stop loss at negative $100, why not just deposit $100 in the first place? That's the reason behind my full margin entry. Yeah, stop loss, of course, the position would be automatically closed when it reaches a certain price, but slippage do happen, guys. It happens more often than what most people think. So slippage, well, it's not much, maybe just 1 or 2% slippage is not much, but it adds up, over time. So for me, for trading, especially for beginners, it's better to just deposit your play money, basically the money you can afford to lose, or you're comfortable if you lose it. For me, that's a better strategy. And you go all in, maximum leverage, maximum everything. So this is basically that's what I did. See, I entered here with just $20 in my balance and my margin, boom, up. Why? If somebody might ask me, how can with $20 you open one lot of gold? One lot of gold is $300,000, right? Worth of gold contract. I'm able to do this because I'm using unlimited leverage. Take a look here. This is the broker I use, Fortuna Markets. They offer unlimited leverage. Yes, one of the highest leverage in the world, if not the highest. Okay? So this is a really good broker, very low spreads, low commission, low trading fees, and most importantly, unlimited leverage. So yeah, you can open huge position with small amount of your own money. Crazy, man. Unlimited leverage. It's the best tool out there for you to multiply your money. There is no better tools to multiply your money than unlimited leverage. This is like bringing nuclear weapons to a conventional war. It's insane. It's like a cheat code for trading. You could turn your account $20 to $4,000, boom, in one day, flip. You can get rich overnight. But well, there is a low chance, but if you do, you will make up for all the losses. Like, that's what I like to do. Boom, account blown. Boom, blow my account. Boom, blow my account again. And the next one, boom, I make it all back plus some nice profit. Yeah, that's what I do. So full margin with unlimited leverage. So if you want to try my strategy, you can try it here. I'm using Fortuna Markets. Basically, if you want to go full margin, you can only use Fortuna Markets because they offer unlimited leverage. Most of the other brokers, they will put a cap on leverage on around 500 or 1,000. Some goes up to 2,000, 3,000, or maybe 5,000, but this is unlimited. This is next level type of shit, okay? Fortuna Markets, this is the best broker in the world. And if you're into the affiliate program, they also have one of the best affiliate program in the world. So yeah, and if you want my signal from my team, very good signal with over 99% accuracy, and if you want my free trading courses, check the link down below. It's all for free, no VIP, no gimmicks, no requirement, no nothing, 100% free signals, 99% accuracy, and free courses for you guys. So I'm not a course seller, or my courses are out there for you 100% free. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon down below. Thank you for watching, and peace out.